Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create multiple tables in Airtable. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our Airtable account, and after opening the account, as you can see, currently I have created this table 1 and the table 2. If you want to create a new table, you can also do that. As you can see, table 1 and table 2 is provided here. If you want to drag them, you can also adjust them. For example, I want the 2 which should be in the above. You can also adjust that here. So if you want to create a new table, you have to click on the create table, and after clicking on this, you can also upload from here, but I'm going to choose start from scratch. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now the table is created. If you want to rename this, for example, I'm going to rename life, and you can also manage the records, projects, tasks. I'm going to manage the tasks here, and let's click on the save, and the tasks will be added. So as you can see, now the tasks option is added here. So in this way, you can create a new table in your Airtable account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a table. So see you guys in the next video.